Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into the ultimate all-electric adventure truck, the 2025 Rivian R1T. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge EV technology, off-road prowess, or just something that turns heads on the road, this truck has it all. Let's break down the R1T and see what makes it stand out in the rapidly growing world of electric vehicles. From its sleek yet rugged design to its impressive performance capabilities, the R1T promises to reshape the way we think about trucks and electric vehicles. Let's jump right in. Knee on each wheel, delivering 835 horsepower and 908 lb-ft of torque. That means this truck doesn't just go off-road, it dominates any terrain. With a 0-60 minute time of just 3 seconds, it's fast enough to rival some sports cars. But the R1T is more than just speed, it's built for true adventure. Now, if you're wondering about range, don't worry. The R1T is equipped with a massive battery pack that provides up to 400 miles of range on a single charge, depending on the configuration. And for those who love to venture far from civilization, it comes with DC fast charging that adds 140 miles of range in just 20 minutes. Whether you're heading off-road or on a cross-country road trip, this truck has the endurance. Rivian also equipped the R1T with a dynamic air suspension system that adjusts in real time, providing up to 14 inches of ground clearance when you're tackling tough trails. That's paired with multiple drive modes, like all-terrain and off-road rock crawl, so you can easily adapt to your surroundings. Now, the design of the R1T really makes it stand out. It's rugged yet refined, with a minimalist front grille and those signature LED headlights that give it a touristic edge. It's tough, but sleek, a combination we don't often see in trucks. The R1T's bed is also highly functional, offering 11 cubic feet of storage, along with a built-in air compressor and multiple power outlets for all your adventure gear. Inside, Rivian didn't hold back. You're greeted with a 16-inch infotainment screen, a fully digital driver display, and a cabin that's as premium as it is functional. The materials are eco-friendly, but still feel luxurious. And with Rivian's focus on outdoor adventure, you'll find hidden gems like a gear tunnel that adds an extra 11.7 cubic feet of storage between the cabin and the bed, perfect for camping gear or your favorite outdoor toys. So, what sets the 2025 Rivian R1T apart from other electric trucks? It's the combination of unmatched versatility and practical luxury. Not only can it handle extreme off-roading, but it's also perfect for daily driving with advanced driver assistance systems, including Rivian's Driver, offering hands-free driving on highways. And for all the adventure seekers, Rivian offers unique accessories like the camp kitchen that slides out from the gear tunnel wise, turning your truck into a mobile campsite. Whether you're looking to explore the wilderness or just want a cutting-edge electric truck that doesn't compromise on luxury, the 2025 Rivian R1T is in a league of its own. Its combination of power, range, and innovative features makes it one of the most exciting vehicles on the market today. Thanks for joining us on this review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and tech updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.